Assalamualaikum everyone, and hi, I am Shaz, and this is my 39th video to improve my English fluency. And for this video, it's going to be about dyslexia. So, what is dyslexia? It's a kind of, it's type of learning disability. And so, I watched the video on YouTube channel. And I jotted down some notes, like important points in a paper, and I will share with you about the important points that you should know about dyslexia. And the topic we will learn, or we will see about the true gifts of a dyslexic mind. Okay, so before that, as we know, small population of people are suffering with learning disabilities, especially for kids. But these disabilities are not only faced by kids, also like many adults in this world who are also suffering with the same kind of disabilities, like this dyslexia. We have one other disability, which is ADHD. But for today, let me share with you about dyslexia. About ADHD, let's continue for our next video. I will share with you in my next video about ADHD. So let's focus on dyslexia. Okay, so dyslexia is most commonly understood as the reading issue, like tendency of flipping Q's, flipping B's, D's, and G's, and that's the fair assessment of at least in the symptomatic department. Okay, so we've got 20% of general population has dyslexia. In this video, let's know little more in depth about the neuroscience of dyslexia, like how does that happen in our brain, like how does dyslexic's brain looks like. Okay, so they have this outer layer, or we have this outer layer of our brain called cortex. Like, yeah, everyone know about that cortex. And we also have these little things called mini columns, and these mini columns are served as the telephone poles. And what strings together on these mini columns are called axons. Now, let me give you an example. For example, people with autism, they have axons that are extremely closely located in proximity of each other, and as the result, the axon length are very finite and short. Also, as a result, they are able to do this incredibly detailed things, or like their behavior have highly specific patterns and the skills. But it's different for dyslexics. For dyslexics, their brain are on the other side of the spectrum. Yes, which are the mini columns are very long, and the mini columns are far apart. Yes, it's far apart, and it leads to some significant cognitive advantages, where we have ability to look at the situation and identify seemingly disparate pieces of information and blend those into a narrative or a tapestry that makes sense to us, that most people can't that most people can't see. So that's like the view of the brain for dyslexic people. And yeah, I guess that's it for dyslexia. Next video, let's see what we're going to figure out. Bye everyone.